Sharing an incomplete or partially finished PDF document can cause frustration or miscommunication among viewers. From a research paper to a business proposal, our non-final document needs a clear message, under review. In this video, you'll learn how to add a draft watermark to a PDF in seconds, without losing quality. First, what is the meaning of the draft watermark in a PDF? The draft watermark is a visible text that indicates the document's status. It lets viewers clearly understand that the file is still under moderation or review. And it drives better communication among the team. So, why do viewers add a draft text watermark to a PDF? There are 3 quick reasons. 1. It gives you a secure PDF document, minimizing the risk of tampering or unauthorized sharing. 2. It lets you seamlessly work on the PDF until the final copy is ready. And 3. It fosters better communication, so professionals can revise the document without compromising quality. But, can I add a draft watermark to my PDF document? Yes, you can. Adding a draft watermark is possible when you use secure and reliable software. Whether it's a single or multiple PDF files, the method works in all scenarios. So let's walk through the 3 best ways. Let's start with the quick, official, and non-technical solution, the SysTools PDF Watermark tool. It's the best software to add text, image, date and time watermarks on multiple PDF files, without Adobe Acrobat. Method 1 is the online way, using free PDF websites, with no software installation. First, search for an online website and open it. Then, to upload your PDFs, use the drag or drop feature. Navigate to Text Watermark and add the word draft. Now download the PDF with the draft watermark applied. It's free across Windows, Linux, macOS, and mobile. But free platforms have limited features and daily limits. And uploading official documents can raise the risk of compromise. Method 2 is the Adobe way, using Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, download or launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your machine. Tap Tools, and choose the Edit PDF option. After this, use the watermark feature, then add watermark. Now type draft, and set the font size. Choose the necessary pages or range. Finally, click OK, and download the document. It maintains the original font and formatting. But keep in mind, Adobe isn't free. It's based on costly subscription plans. Method 3 is the SysTools Pro software, a dedicated desktop solution for Windows, built for batch mode. Here's the guide. Start by downloading the SysTools utility on your Windows machine. Then use Add Files or Folders to upload the required PDFs. Click Save, then change to Add the file location, and click Next. Under the Text Watermark section, manually type the word draft. After this, adjust the font, position, appearance, and color, then preview